Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do single shuttle split rings. You don't see these a lot, but again, it's a good technique to have in your library. We start our ring like we do for a normal ring, except leave a slightly longer tail. Don't tat over your tail, we're going to need it later on. So I'm putting 6 double stitches on. Pull some thread off your shuttle. We're creating a loop, so hold that thread back in the pinch. We're going to finger tat the second half of our split ring. So to finger tat, take your loop, the first half of our stitch, we go under, over, pull through and flip. Second half, we go over, under, pull through and flip. If your ring is getting tight, you can pull more thread, but it's going to come from your loop first. So you need to see which side of the loop runs to your shuttle and which side runs to your ring. This side is going to give me more thread in my loop, and from there I can open up my ring. Make sure your loop is twist free. Again, find the side that goes to your ring and pull your ring closed. Once your ring is closed, our shuttle is out to the left and we have our loop and tail out to the right. We need to swap these over. Pass your shuttle through your loop, pick your ring up. We're going to pull on our shuttle thread and start closing that loop up. Make sure it doesn't twist. And we want our tail coming between the legs of our loop. Hold on to that with your ring. Continue to pull that loop shut. Just done a quick single shuttle split ring. I want to show you the importance of our tail. This is how it's meant to be towards the end. As I just showed you, we're meant to hold on to our tail and continue to pull our loop closed with our shuttle thread. If we don't have our tail through that loop and pull it closed, we lose half our ring. Now our following split ring is made the same way. So again, set your hand up for a normal ring. first half, come in, sit next to the first one. Pull off your length of thread, put it in the pinch, finger tap your other half. Close your ring. Once again, we have our shuttle out to the left and our loop out to the right. We need to swap them over, so pass your shuttle through the loop. Pick up your ring, start to close that loop. This time we don't have a tail thread to run between the legs of the loop, so we're going to let the loop come down and encircle the back of our ring. So if I pull that through just a little bit more, the loop is going to come at the back. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. See you next time.